Today I'm going to show you how to make a cup of coffee using a French press. I'll be using the Creuset French Press, which I recently got as a Christmas gift from my son, and I love it. I love it because it works really well, leaving no coffee grounds in my coffee. So let's get started. First, you'll want to take the top completely off. Next, add your coffee grounds. 2 scoops of coffee for every cup of coffee that you're making. I like to add some extra flavor, so I usually add in some cinnamon and some cloves. Next, you'll need some hot water. I like to use the electric tea kettle because it makes it so fast and easy. Pour a little bit of water in so that you're covering the coffee grounds, and then give it a little swirl to make sure all the coffee grounds get mixed into the water and none of them are floating on top. Now pour the rest of your water in, however much water you'd like, depending on how much coffee you're making today. Put the lid on and let it sit for 3 minutes. Now it's time for the press part. Slowly press down all the way to the bottom, and your coffee is ready to go. I love French press coffee because I feel like it just has a smoother taste than other types of brewing methods. And I like the fact that I can add cinnamon, cloves, or other spices to give it some flavor. Cheers and enjoy your coffee. Hey, thanks for watching all the way to the end. Enjoy this free recipe card. Go ahead and take a screenshot of it. If you're interested in other recipes, check out my playlist. I've got a bunch more. If we haven't met yet, my name's Sarah and I'm the mom next door. I'm all about finding ways to live life better and sharing what I learn with all of you. I invite you to hit subscribe and join the virtual village.